Hey, this is Dave Townsend with the Dave Townsend team at RE/MAX Results, and I wanted to tell you about our newest listing. This is really a cool home. It's located in Chesterfield, and it's at 1526 Candish Lane. It's a very beautiful neighborhood. This is a 4-bedroom home with a finished basement, even has its own putting green in the backyard. This is definitely something you want to come check out. Includes a big deck, enclosed sunroom, hot tub. It's definitely something you want to see. If you want more information on this home, reach out to John or myself. And thank you so much for watching this short video. Have a good day.